Alright guys, this is my newest purchase. I bought the Eastwood Concours paint guns. I really bought it for the detail gun. I needed a smaller gun to spray with, but for the price I was going to spend on the water that I was going to wait for God knows how long. I ordered it. 4 weeks later they told me that it was stuck in customs coming from Japan, so I decided to cancel it. And then I found this gun. What I really like about this gun is it sprays, it only uses, I believe it's 22 PSI at 3 CFMs, which is great. I love it. Less overspray when I work inside cabins or salons of a boat or something. So without further ado, let's open this sucker up, man. Whoa. Alright, man, there it is. Yeah. I like it. Nice gun. Very nice. Nice finish. Can't wait to use them. I might be using them later today. This is really what I bought it for. It's got a nice finish on it. It's nice and tiny like I need. Only has, I think it's 100 mil cut, which I like. I'm going to be using it maybe today. Either today or tomorrow. I got some hatch covers I gotta spray. But this is them. Comes in a nice case. So after I'm done cleaning them, I can put them in here and keep them nice. I'm excited. Can't wait to use them. And when I do spray them, I'll make a video of me spraying. I don't know why I keep opening and closing that. The larger gun comes with a 600 mil cup. Comes with 2 extra tips. I believe, actually I don't even know. So it comes with a 1.7, a 2.0, and a 1.3. Let's see if I get that out. Alright. I mean, these are the Eastwood Concours PRO guns. Tell you, man, they're really nice quality. Alright guys, so, I'm going to show you a clip of me here using the mini sprinter gun, and then towards the end of the video I'm going to show you me using the larger of the 2 guns. So stick around. Alright guys, well this isn't the best example of the overspray. She's a little windy here, as well as the PSI on the gun was a little over 22, creating a lot of overspray. I've since used the gun at 15 to 18 PSI. She still lays the gel coat down nice, but a lot less overspray. Having that said, I'm happy with the results each and every time I use this gun. If you want to see me in action with the bigger gun, stick around to the end, and I'll show you a little bit of work with that. Cheers. Alright guys, well there you have it. The Concours PRO by Eastwood. This is their detail gun. This is why I bought that set, is for this gun. Sprays, I believe it's 20 PSI at 3 CFMs. You can't go wrong. I think it's 22 PSI, which is great. It works out very well for me. Guys, you can spray gel coat with a 1.0 tip. You gotta thin it out a little bit. I use a surfacing agent that thins out the gel coat. You're not gonna spray it right out of the can. It's not gonna happen. I use a surfacing agent that thins out the gel coat as well, about 2 to 3% styrene, and this lays it on beautiful. Build quality's next to none, guys. I really like it. I don't know what to say. You're gonna be seeing me use this a lot in my videos, guys. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just like sharing what works. For the price of these two guns, I mean, geez, you can't get one. I'm not gonna name names, but some of the top name guns, you can buy 2 of these sets for that. So far, spray's great. I'll be using the bigger gun on the next one. Stay tuned for another video. You're gonna see me spraying a 40-foot Dorelli. It's called the Dorelli A Tripper. Beautiful bow. We're gonna be spraying that. I'm gonna be using the bigger Eastwood gun, and we'll see how it works. And by then, I'll be using this probably on another 5 or 6 jobs before we get to that video. So if you have any questions, drop me a question below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy out there. Cheers from the water's edge. Alright guys, don't go anywhere just yet. I'm about to show you some footage with me spraying with the larger of the two guns from the set. This is also the Eastwood Concours PRO. I'm using a 1.3 tip. We're spraying a epoxy primer from All Grip. And I gotta tell you, I'm very happy with the results. She's laying it down just fine. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I couldn't be any happier with the results. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe. This way, when I put on my next video, which is going to be a 2-part series of me working on this 40-foot Dorelli. It's called a Dorelli A Tripper. She's an absolute beautiful bow. I really enjoyed working on this bow. Within the next week or so, I'm about episode 1. That's me stripping the paint, doing the body work, and that you're seeing now. Part 2 is we'll pick up right where I'm leaving off here. We're going to fix all the little imperfections in the hull as far as pins, pinholes, and minor scratches, and we'll get it all sanded and ready for the top coat. We're going to be using an Allcraft 2000. It's going to be a sky blue, and then we're going to do a snow white blue stripe. I can't wait. I'm excited. Very happy with the way this gun is laying on the prime. I can't wait to see the way it lays on the top coat. So once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe. This way you get my up-and-coming videos. And once again, thanks for watching. Cheers from the water's edge. Alright guys, that's the Eastwood Concours PRO. This is the larger gun. I have this one and I have the detail one, or you call it the repair one, that I use for gel coat. I absolutely love these guns. I just got done priming this bolt. These are absolutely beautiful. I mean, what else can you ask for? It looks awesome. Alright guys, well once again there you have it. It's the Eastwood Concours PRO. Guys, it comes in a set. Oh, let me flip this around. Sorry about that. Yeah, this gun comes in a set of two. It comes with a small detail or repair gun, whatever you want to call it, and then it comes with the larger gun. I absolutely love both of them. I love the little one. I use it for gel coat repairs. It works excellent. And this one is going to be my go-to spray gun. I really love it. I'm going to be spraying this boat behind me with it. We're going to do a All-Craft 2000, a white boost stripe. The All-Craft 2000 is going to be blue. It's going to look beautiful. Until next time, guys, cheers.